In this video, let us study how to build a decision tree using a Weka tool. What is a decision tree? Decision trees are a type of supervised machine learning model where the data is continuously split according to a certain parameter. So in a tree there can be two entities. One is the decision node and the second one are the leaves. The decision nodes are the place where the data is split based upon the final outcome. In the right hand side, I have given an example for a simple decision tree to check whether a person is fit based on his age, based on the eating habit, based on his physical activity. So, the decision trees are a classic supervised learning algorithm which are very easy to understand and very easy to use. The main concept behind decision tree learning are as follow. So we will start with the training data and gradually we build a predictive model, and that model is mapped to a tree structure. Our ultimate goal is to achieve perfect classification with minimal number of decisions. Now, how to download a Weka? Weka refers to Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. So I have given the URL. You can go to this URL and download the Weka according to your software requirement. And Weka is an open source software. So in my system, I have already installed Weka. So Weka, the version is 3.8.4. Launch your Weka application. Wait for some time. So once you launch your Weka application, go to the application in the right hand side, click Explorer. So once you click your Weka Explorer, you can see the Weka Explorer getting opened. Now in this video I will tell you to generate a decision tree in two methods. The first method, we will generate the decision tree from a sample data set which is already available in a website. And in the second method, I will teach you how to classify a decision tree, how to visualize a tree with our own example. So we will start with the first method. So in the PPT, I have given an example where we are having the Weka sample data sets. So copy the URL, open in that browser, so there are a lot of sample data sets are available. I am taking the weather data set. Copy this URL, go to your Weka Explorer, click open URL button, the second button, paste the copied URL and click OK. So once you give OK, wait for some time. Now you can see the attributes are getting pre-processed based upon 5 attributes. Okay, so you can see the attributes like outlook, temperature, humidity, windy and play. So we have completed the first step of pre-processing in decision tree. Now we need to classify. So go to the classify tab, choose the classifier algorithm. We are going to do the tree classifier and going to make use of J48. So J48 refers to decision tree pruning and non-pruning classifier algorithm. So under the test option, select use training set and click start. Immediately you can see the classifier output with the 5 attributes, and we have used the J48 pruning tree and the confusion matrix are also generated. Now in the result set, right click and select visualize tree. So this is the decision tree that is generated from the sample data set. Okay, now let's go to the second method of visualizing a decision tree from our own example. Fine. So I am having an data set, sample data set, which is stored in Microsoft Excel. So I am having a data sets like this. So I am having a data set for vertebrate data set with 15 instances and 8 attributes. The last column refers to the label where we classify the data set based upon the class label. Now you have to save this data set under CSV format. So you have to give a file name and give the save type at CSV format. I have already saved this example. Now go to your Weka, click the Explorer, Weka Explorer. So in the Weka Explorer, you have to select Open File button, locate your file. So my file is present in Downloads. So select the file type as CSV, select your file name, click Open, and immediately you can see the data sets are being pre-processed. Okay, now we have to go to the classify, select the classifier as trees J48 and the test option as use training set and click start button. So you can see the 15 instances with 8 attributes are getting pruned using J48 classifier, and you can also see the confusion matrix. Now right click on the result list, select visualize tree. You can see your decision tree. Okay, thank you.